Artificial intelligence, AI. AI involves the development of algorithms and computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as natural language processing, decision-making, and visual perception. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently, without the need for a central authority. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT refers to the interconnectivity of devices and objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR are technologies that enhance the user's perception of the physical world by overlaying or creating computer-generated information and experiences. 5G networks. 5G is the next generation of wireless network technology that offers faster data transfer rates, higher bandwidth, and lower latency than previous generations. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a technology that uses quantum mechanical phenomena, such as superposition and entanglement, to perform calculations that are exponentially faster than traditional computers. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are equipped with sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms that allow them to navigate and operate on their own, without human intervention.